Walk Awesome is a mix between walking tour, podcast, and live urban experience. What does that mean? It means you're equipped with Bluetooth headphones, and I'm equipped with a Bluetooth transmitter and a microphone. And together we walk through a city talking about its future with architects, designers, entrepreneurs, journalists, community leaders, people that care about the future of their city.
Yeah, I mean, Atlanta is the maybe 8th largest city in the United States, and it is known for urban sprawl and traffic jams and people living, dependent on their cars to get anywhere. But it's an old city that is with a meaningful kind of cultural history, the birthplace of the civil rights movement, and certainly it's growing a lot these days, and that growth is allowing the city to grow into something else, some other kind of future that's much more urban, more compact, more sustainable. The future city is, stuck in traffic, and so people are going to find other ways to get around. We have invested in transit. We have a decent start on that transit system, but we've got a long way to go, so we've got to continue to invest in that. It's about creating the infrastructure, laying the foundation, the groundwork for a future city to emerge.
Learning while you walk and see what people create, architects create, what they thought about building a building, or why they built the Beltline here in Atlanta, that is what makes it really special. And that is why I think more conferences should have the courage to go outside and make people experience what they talk about.
What I'm learning is what they want to start working on to make, pretty much to make change down here.
I was definitely interested in participating in this when I heard about it. I didn't know what it was going to be. I'm always interested in sort of cultural exchange like this, so glad to be a part of it.